Monsoon got you worried about your leather? Fear not, we have got the tips to keep your leather looking delightful this season. Monsoon rain and humidity can ruin your favorite leather shoes, bags, and jackets. The moisture can cause cracking, mold growth, and loss of shine. Regular cleaning and conditioning are essential for maintaining the health and beauty of your leather. Consider getting your leather professionally cleaned every few months, especially for heavily used items. Even with the best precautions, your leather might get caught in rain. Don't panic. The key is to act fast. Gently brush off any dirt and then pat the leather dry with a soft absorbent cloth. Avoid using newspaper as the ink can stain the leather. Let your leather air dry completely at room temperature. Once your leather item is completely dry, it's time for storage. Place silica gel packets inside. These little superheroes will absorb any lingering humidity. And to maintain its shape, stuff your bag with air-filled pouches. These extra steps will help your leather stay in top condition until you're ready to use it again. Choose a cool, dry place with good ventilation. There may be cases where damage may surpass what DIY solutions can handle. This is when you should seek professional help from experts like us at the Leather Laundry. From antifungal treatment to nano coating, we possess the knowledge and skill to make your possession monsoon ready. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more such content. Thanks for watching.